We're kicking off a new project, and trust me, it's gonna be crazy. And for this, we'll need a Jeep Wrangler with that beastly winch. And most importantly, I was the sniper. I fired the rope at least 15 times until my buddy caught it. Today's hero is my friend who stood in ice-cold water for over 1.5 hours. Absolute legend. And all of this because, like every woodworker, we got hit by wood rush. We spotted clean, river-polished logs on the other side of the river. This is where it gets really interesting. The Jeep's winch is pulling the log, and we have no idea what's going to happen next. But everything went smoothly, and we pulled out our very first log successfully. And then my buddy just turned green. He grabbed the whole log and carried it by hand. I don't think it's Hulk syndrome. He probably just got really cold. And this is our catch. We've got some amazing results coming. And please, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot to us. Now we're back in the workshop, and it's time to start cutting everything to size. I'm carefully cleaning the surface of the wood, but only lightly, so I don't ruin that natural look gifted by nature itself. And here's a neat little trick, how to measure an irregular surface for cutting. Trust me, this one will come in handy. After the cutting is done, we're moving on to the assembly stage, getting closer to the goal we set the moment we spotted those logs on the riverbank. Attaching the small branches is tricky. There's no second try here. One hole, one screw. We also pulled out some extra small branches from the river. And here are our lights, hidden inside the wood for an awesome effect. For this, we need to use a router to cut a 1 centimeter groove along the length of the thicker branches. I struggled a bit with the wiring. The ferrite just wouldn't take the solder, but in the end, we got it fixed. In the meantime, the fog rolled in, and now we're waiting for nightfall to show you the final result.